Nestled in the scrubland setting of Kanjari Village, just a stone's throw away from the wetlands of Thol and Nalsarovar, lies a residence that stands as a testament to modern architecture and environmental harmony. The lone Paludi, Salvadora persica tree, standing sentinel over the landscape, anchors this remarkable home, which was envisioned as a retreat capable of hosting large gatherings while providing intimate living spaces. The design brief was clear: create a residence that merges with the landscape, offering expansive views and a seamless transition between the indoors and the surrounding wilderness. The result is a single-floor masterpiece, enveloped in glass and exposed concrete, embodying a monolithic aesthetic that feels both grounded and ethereal. At the heart of this residence is a gigantic living area, designed to blur the lines between the interior and the exterior. With full-height sliding and folding fenestrations, the 1,500 square foot living space can expand into an 8,000 square foot gathering area, effortlessly accommodating large groups of people. The residence is shaded by a 12-foot cantilevered slab, supported by a delicate mild steel colonnade, allowing for unobstructed views of the landscape. This defining architectural feature not only gives the house its name, 12.0, but also encapsulates the design philosophy of maximizing visibility and connection with the natural surroundings. The interior layout is thoughtfully divided into 3 distinct blocks, each catering to different activities. A gathering block for social interactions, a retiring block with private bedrooms, and a utility block housing the wet kitchen and services. The central courtyard serves as a transitional space, bringing in natural light and ventilation while acting as a buffer between the semi-private and private areas of the home. This courtyard, with its lush erica palms and radermachiras, is a tranquil oasis that balances the energy of the gathering spaces with the serenity of the resting areas. Stepping into the living areas, one is greeted by a sense of calm, achieved through a neutral color palette and minimalist design. The custom-designed terrazzo tiles underfoot and the pastel hues of blue and plum in the furnishings create a soothing atmosphere. The internal dry kitchen, with its parametric ceiling carved from sycamore wood logs, adds a touch of complexity to the otherwise understated space. This ceiling, composed of over 750 unique wooden pieces, stands as the only intricate element in a design that prioritizes simplicity and the natural beauty of the surroundings. The landscape surrounding the residence is an ecosystem unto itself, meticulously designed to preserve the natural datum and support a diverse range of flora and fauna. With over 110 species of trees and 150 species of shrubs and ground covers, the site is a thriving habitat that complements the nearby wetlands. A large rainwater reservoir, capable of storing 4.5 million liters of water, ensures that the vegetation remains lush throughout the year, while also providing a resource for local wildlife. The site includes a nursery, an orchard, vegetable gardens, a central party lawn, and a dense forest, all contributing to the rich biodiversity of the area. This residence, with its thoughtful design and deep connection to the environment, offers a sanctuary where modern living and nature coexist in perfect harmony.